Hi and welcome to my playhouse, and today I'm gonna continue in the living room making this pretty, and I have my mom helping me today, so she has already started and I had to stop her for just a little bit so that I could start filming. So we're gonna be putting up glass fiber wallpaper-ish. I did ask in the previous video what this was called and I have forgotten. Sorry. But we're gonna be putting up this fiber drywall thing, and I have bought it and it's over here in the corner, and in Danish it's called glasvæv, and I do not believe that it has a British name on here anywhere. So yeah, we're gonna be putting that on, and it's gonna look something like this, and then we paint over that so it will give the wall kind of a structure. I think someone called it basket basket weaving stuff, the structure of it. So yeah, right now my mom is cleaning my table here, and we're gonna use that table to put the glue on the wallpaper pieces. And we're gonna put the wallpaper pieces on here and cut them in the right length, and then we're gonna put that glue on. We're probably gonna cut them a little bit too long and then just put them up and cut off the extra. So the thing, we are doing this wall all the way over here, making this weird. Yeah, this seems like a really good idea when I made it. Now it's gonna bite my ass, but well, that's gonna be yeah, I'm just gonna have to do that. And then this little tiny wall over here, also behind this cover thing, which well, it covers all the ugly pipes that are down here, but well, we're gonna put the wallpaper down behind that anyway. So working on that. Okay, the new glass fiber wallpaper is not 100% as all my leftovers from last time. So my mom has just agreed on using the new glass wallpaper on the big wall, and then over here on this wall, which well, we're gonna use the leftovers over there, and we're not gonna tell anyone. So that's our little secret, but it's so little no one will ever notice, and I'm surely not gonna tell anyone. And I have of course spent a fortune on new tools. These kind of things are so cheap nowadays that, well, you don't have to use much time on cleaning something like this before it's just a waste of time, because it's kind of only a couple of dollars. So if I use 10 minutes to clean this, well, it might be okay once or twice, but yeah. This one is to press the wallpaper into the wall. I guess these rolls are kind of the same thing. Make sure the wallpaper is on there tight. And there's a little Stanley knife. And this one is gonna be used for the wallpaper glue. Awesome. Okay, we have measured the first piece. My walls are about 246 centimeters from, must be from bottom to top. So we have added, so each of these pieces are 2 meters and 55 centimeters. So there is a little leftover top and bottom. And as this glass fiber wallpaper has kind of these lines, well, it's easy to just use a pair of scissors and cut after that. But we're gonna take this first piece and we're gonna copy that on more pieces, so we don't have to measure each one of them. But well, we might just check that it's good. Okay, we have cut 5 of these pieces. We measured that we need 2 over here, and we need 2-ish over here, and we need a third one for this weird corner that I've done over there, which is gonna be the big problem. And we need a couple of tiny pieces over the door, but that's just tiny pieces. We're gonna do those afterwards, fix that mistake. And we're gonna put the glue on the inside of the rolls. So my mom is rolling them up here. And I'm gonna be doing the wall. It needs a layer of wall glue. And my mom is gonna be gluing the individual lanes of glass fiber wallpaper. So working on that. I'm gonna be using the roller. Yeah, this could get dirty. We are ready to put on the first piece. Den er helt tør.
Har jeg snydt?
Ja, der er ingenting på der. My mom has cheated.
Det er sådan.
So apparently it's easier to remove this leftover thing when it's still wet. So I'm gonna try that. We're gonna put this on for protection and run the knife along that. See if that. Seems good. And I'm not just gonna pull it, I'm gonna pull it very carefully, because if I made a mistake, then it will show right now. If I missed some part, yeah, there is a missing part right there. It's still missing. Just one little thread and everything will look bad. That's not bad, that's kind of cool. It's gonna be painted as well, so that will cover a lot. Work is going good. We have put up these two lanes and it's almost impossible. Well, they meet up right here, but it's not very visible, so that's a good thing. And we did the plug here. Have to take something and get the leftovers off before that dries. And there is a little bit of an overlap here. Guess that's okay. And we've done another lap over here. Still need to cut off the extras up here and also down here beneath. Right now it's actually going out under the rock, so that's kind of funny. So we're preparing to do this one over here, which is a really easy one. It's a straight one, totally no cutting whatsoever. Well, only the cutting in the top and the cutting in the bottom. So that's gonna be really easy. And then there's a really hard one, maybe. Or maybe this will be easy as well, I'm not sure. Okay, we are done all the way over here, and we have even done these. We made one strip over here, and then we reused that strip over here for the other side. That was a problem. We didn't realize that we had to turn the strip around and glue the other side, which made this working on this side really hard because it was all gluish and stuff. So now we just need this little bit, and we are kind of in the problem that we don't think maybe there is not glue enough here. So yeah, we also need the spot over the door here. So there is definitely enough for that. And there might be enough for another little thing over here, but that's where we are at right now. I'm about to cut off the extras going down the rocks here, and yeah, maybe I should show you that. Doing a little bit of patchwork now to make, well, this piece is gonna be going over the door over here, where this ugly outlet, which I also need to fix at some point. I need to cut out here and make it square so I can actually remove that thing. You need to be able to do that. Over here, over the other door, we have patched that. 2 pieces, 1 piece here and another piece over there. Need to trim that underneath the door, but it's coming along nicely. Just need a little bit more of glue. That's a shame. Okay, we completed this roll as well. That was this bit with the ugly pipes down here. That was a bit difficult, but well, it's on there and it looks pretty nice. So now at some point I will have to paint all of the walls, and that's gonna be quite a job. It's a lot of walls, but it doesn't take that long, I guess. So I want to go out and I want to buy some decent paint for that, so that it will last for many years, and some decent paint that I can wash over with a cloth if it becomes dirty. The wall paint up here is some of the really cheap stuff that you can't really wash off if it becomes dirty. If it becomes really dirty, you have to repaint, and that's always irritating. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. I have a whole lot of a mess to clean up with all the tools, and we went out and we got some more wallpaper glue. That was an hour gone there. So yeah, cool. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me having fun in my living room another time, and have a nice day. Bye bye.